Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share you a quick tip in Fillo. I have a workbook which has a table column and it has two rows. So I have a code which will insert a value in this one that is in the subsequent row. If I try to run this code, it will throw error. The reason is I have a reserved keyword in my SQL because table is a reserved keyword. So that is the reason when I try to run this code, it is throwing error. So to escape this keyword, what I need to do is I have to give double quotes. Now I'm running this code. So now the value is inserted successfully. Let me open the book. See, the value is inserted here. I hope this tip is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video.